Why are you recording his ID?
Alright guys, watch this. I'm gonna show you a magic. Oh shit. I'm gonna show you a magic trick. So watch. I'm gonna take this little retard.
I think he likes magic
and watch.
a little bit too much.
Now it's a cooler guy.
Now
yeah.
it's a Russian.
And for my next trick.
Fucking steals it.
For my next trick. Yeah.
My next trick. What the hell is that? For my next trick.
For my next trick, I'll take this water bottle. James, take it. And watch as it disappears. Boom.
Take it. James, grab the water bottle.
Did you suck on this side or this side?
What the fuck? I didn't suck on any of it.
Did you?
No, James did it in his ass.
What's that?
He was eating bread through his ass.
Can I get more blood? Can I get more blood?
He didn't get any bread. Can I blood more get?
He still didn't get bread.
Can you get me bread?
Yeah, sure. Watch me. Alright, instantly. No.
Hold on. Go sideways. Go sideways. You get more leg room.
You get more leg room.
Yes. No. Oh, unless you want to blow.
Oh, don't do that. You're gonna make it worse.
Wait, James. Are you gonna blow at the camera?
That's my fucking bread. Victor had his ass on that.
Hold on. Pretend like you're the bread.
You turned on the camera.
I turned on the camera.
Stop fucking my bread.
So, can you describe what you're feeling now, Cole?
Fuck! Depression. Alright, that's enough. Cool.
Alright,
Look
guys.
at how much there's in there. It's like a fucking shotgun. You can't even... It's coming out slowly. Keep going, I'll keep going. It's
I'm
coming
gonna blow up.
His face went so fucking red. Why are you chewing on this straw? That doesn't help.
Hold on. James, can you take control?
He's trying to blow through a straw that he just chewed the shit out of. Stop giving me the nuggets.
Alright, record.